Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Appointment, waiting for my 850 to show up. I'm going to go ahead and reset my service light. $5141, I believe. Should see a lot of flickering if that was it. Oh, I didn't see it. Let me check the code. I'm going to try 4151 this time. There it is, 4151. Time to do this motor mount. I've never seen one that bad, really. Chunks are gone, but that's what happens when oil leaks on them. The rubber just deteriorates to nothing. Mount is done, probably 10-15 minutes, and we're going to do the spark plugs next. Here, after a whole month, this is still pretty dry up here. Remarkable. Alright, we're putting the new plugs in. I hand turn them in as far as I can, and then I ratchet them in till they're snug, and then I put the torque wrench on them. The worst thing you could do is cross thread a plug. Now, if you don't put that many miles on your car, the first time you put the plugs in, they do not need any anti-seize. The threads are supposed to be coated with something that stops them from seizing up in the head. If you pull them out to check them a couple years later, because they don't have 30 or 60,000 miles on them or whatever your intervals are, and you want to check them, when you go back into them with them, you might want to use some aluminum anti-seize to put them back in. Alright, I got them finger tight. Now I'm going to snug them down with a ratchet, and I'm going to torque them 18 foot-pounds with a torque wrench. Here are the old plugs versus a new plug. These might be on 60,000 mile intervals, I'm not sure. Had a great lunch with Karyn out there in the desert. My 3 o'clock canceled. I was supposed to help somebody get I think an 04 Taurus started. Probably a fuel pump issue. They'll be calling back. But I'm going to take a few minutes, go out to the junkyard, see if I can find this connector I need for this Jag. We're going to show you how to access a fuel panel for the fuel pump removal on a 2007 Ford Fusion. Come in the car, lift the seat up. You just pull it from the back, pull it from the front. Those rings will pop loose. Get it out of your way. Next, you got to take this panel off. It looks like 8 millimeters, maybe 10. Pull off 4 of those bolts. A 9/32 socket to get those loose. Next, you got to get this ring loose. And basically, you need to get something on it, tap it counterclockwise so it'll unlatch. So, best to use a screwdriver and a hammer, or a tool for that. Let me see what I can find. You want to take these connectors loose. Looks like a fuel line and an electrical connector. This has a release on the other side of it. You squeeze and pull up. The release is right there. Screwdriver or something under it like that. Pull that latch loose and then unplug the line. So, let me work that out a little bit and unplug that fuel line. I pulled the clip out till it was like that. Then I massage the line off. Now I need to get this ring unlatched. I tapped the ring clockwise till it popped off. Now you want to work it up out of there. Let me use 2 hands. Then the fuel sending unit should just lift right out. The fuel sending unit is up and out of there. Now you have access to the fuel pump. Probably just replace it as a unit. Not 100% sure what's going on here, but you may need to straighten this out with a pair of pliers. This one's straight. There's a couple of latches that you undo, and you slide this part up. You may be able to get the pump unit out after doing that. So, not 100% sure, but that's at least the sending unit out of the vehicle. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.